Another hit for you mark ass motherfucking monkeys. 10 ball all day, nigga, trap like
What?
What?
Somebody starting shit. He's a walking target. Push button. Boy, don't start it. And I'm a fast car, but I'm not a charger. I fuck your main bitch. She look like your daughter. A real nigga over here, I'm going to Florida. I'ma take your bitch, take her ass out to Georgia. Real nigga over here, and we ride for him. You fuck around, I guarantee you, be torn.
Boy, bag back. 40 on my side, nigga, not grab
Let
that.
him have that.
I'm wrapping niggas up if they talking shit.
He talking shit.
He want the work, so a nigga gotta tax his shit.
Work.
In the bank, I hit a lick and I take his bitch.
Work.
In the club, it's VIP, me and my niggas sip.
Work.
In the club, in that parking lot, niggas love the trip, so I keep the 40 on my fucking hip with a 30 round on that fucking bitch, and I ain't tripping, nigga, I'm with it though. All my niggas, they with it though. When we walking though, we snatching hoes. Niggas know they cracking hoes. Matter of fact, I got my 4-4. I ain't tripping how the game go. Shit, nigga, you wanna fuck with me? Laying down RP to me, so that's CDG.
CDG, no lacking. Tell me what's happening. I got a magnum in the back, man. Not hit him like Pac-Man. Young boy, bitch, and young tape, bitch. You know he got that cake, bitch. And I came with the suitcase, bitch. New Orleans to the Bay, bitch. You fuck around in this 510. Fuck around in this 504. I hit you all in your fucking face with a 4-4 all calico. My niggas all in this bitch. Who is that? Nigga, that ain't go. Who is that be? That's Young Tech. Who I be? I'm Young Buck. Like.
Fucking niggas, they ain't with the shit, they some fucking ops. I fuck this bitch, she a fucking Tatiana, so she on the dick like that, nigga. She dropped the low, yeah, I hit the shit, she was on the floor, hitting the wide, bouncing back. I told the bitch, shit, she gotta go. That phone moment, I was on the road. Remember niggas still doing shows, still chasing dogs, still hitting lean. Matter of fact, still sipping trees. I ain't tripping, know how I be. I'm Young Tag, yeah, 6'3". I'm a call Trish, I'm a hobby. Kill a nigga up in the lobby for a hobby, it's my job, nigga. I ain't tripping, let him mob, nigga. Yo, bitch, show me that's a job, nigga.
Right.
Matter of fact, she blow me down. I call my nigga, that's my round. In the club, got the 4 nigga. He ain't tripping on shit, he'll grab your bitch. Hit you, then kill your shit.
It's Halloween, I'm a fucking fiend, come in your dreams. It's LTV, you live in the dream like what you mean. Leave the scene clean, I ain't tripping off it. In the coffin, smoking weed like I went to Boston. Went to Florida, then came back. Hit a nigga in his cool cap like my mind really gone. And I just found home. Nigga E.T., where did you go? Nigga, I went back to Rome. Goddamn little Rome. He finally came home. They let him out that cell. He came out the super dome like.
So fires up for my nigga Rap, fires up for my nigga Jay. And I ain't tripping on shit, fuck what to say. I fuck the police all day in these fucking streets. West Oakland to that fucking east. East Coast, you know where I'm at. West Coast, you know where I'm at. Now I'm surfing, I'm swagging. Toe tag on these faggots. Pussy niggas, let them have it. Matter of fact, they want my carrots. Try to snatch that like the bunny, the rabbit. Ain't sharing shit. My mama told me I ain't had shit, so I gotta stack all my fucking bricks. So all my chips. Come through in these foreign whips. Remember nigga count big chips. Right here, yeah, he with the shit. He got a 4 nick, he got a chopper, a K that'll pop, yeah, got a nickel in the back, nigga. If you come through, get a got.
He just got flipped, I ain't tripping, nigga, big pistol up on my hip. You want a script, you can go there. Take the gun up off my head. Take it up off my hip. I guarantee I shoot you flip. My real niggas, we all trip. Keep talking, not bust your lip. Keep talking, not bust your side. Ride or die, no